Great place for short escape. My family enjoy our short vacation stay in Hutton Place. Thanks for the hospitality, surely we'll book again we came visit in the future. Revisit this homey apartment. First stay was very comfy, so for the second time we booked this apt again. We love this apt, because the very good location, comfy apt unit, clean, and also the owner was very helpful and communicative, smiley face, praying gesture, definitely will recommend this unit to my friends and colleagues. Comfy, clean, homey apt. My parents stayed at this apt for about 1 week and they feel very comfortable and homey. The owner also very kind and helpful. The communication with owner was very clear and he also responded in a short time. Location was very nice, close to the shopping mall. Lots of restaurants and cafes nearby. We definitely will come back, smiley face, thumbs up, nice place and very comfy. I will sure come back for the second time. Exceptional. The unit is in a very good condition, clean and have complete facilities. The main bedroom is in the building corner which has full window pane on 2 sides, giving it lots of natural light and great view. Very comfortable and recommended. Perfecto. Check-in was easy and smooth, place is clean and tidy, have all equipment that you're looking at your home, just feel like home. Short stay with family. I had a great time staying at this place. It has a nice view and the place is clean. The self-check-in process is great. The host is also helpful and friendly. Exceeded my expectation, A-OK, it was a pleasant stay. The apartment was clean and equipped with more than basic necessities and the host is responsive and nice smile. Recommended apartment. Very helpful host. When there is problem with parking fee, he contact Agoda and settle it out. Cozy apartment, cleanliness above average, nice swimming pool, fast Wi-Fi, complete kitchen utensils. Very good and nice place. The room is very good and clean, especially the facilities at the room all look like new furniture. I'm very happy and if I back next trip, I will book this room again. Very recommended dude.